This is the Apple store here in downtown Vancouver, the fancy one. Very nice place, and I'm going out now to the Apple store. Oh, nice flower. You're welcome. And I'm heading to here, the art gallery. They have something going on there. Look at that. Someone performing. So I'm out of that Apple store. Then I'm heading to someone performing there. I think someone singing. Have you seen it? There's a stage there. So there's someone singing there, I think. So someone performing. I'm gonna go and check it out. See you guys.